Hello everybody, my name is Ramon and I'm here with Pacifica Tiny Homes, and we're here to show you guys the proper way to remove the water heater, tankless water heater. So the tools that we're going to need for this job is just going to be a set of channel locks, an impact with the Phillips tip, and maybe a secondary extension. And then we'll get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure it's unplugged. You want to remove your electric plug and your gas. Make sure your gas is off, and you remove your regulator. So therefore our utilities are disconnected. We're going to go ahead and remove the water lines. We'll start with the hot water. Oh, we got the cold water right here. And then third, we're going to remove the regulator, gas regulator. It's ready to come off. We're going to go ahead and remove the fasteners that are holding it.
Jonathan Cabrales, tráeme el taladro para acá, por favor.
And it does help to have a second hand, but you can do it by yourself. It's not too heavy. And then the last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this electric cord. I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna open it and take the cover off, and then remove the electric cord. So you just pry these off with your hand. You have these little clips that just go in here. And this is for the Renai one. The other one, another brand might differ, but it's all going to be kind of similar. So we open it up, we're going to see that we use 2 wire nuts right here, and then the third one is onto the ground. It's onto a bracket that the water heaters have, and it just has a little bolt right there. You put it grounds it. You remove that. And then one key note on these wires. So if you look at usually the power is on the left side, is usually bigger. And then if you follow that one, which this one has little lines, that's what indicates it. The one with the lines, we put that one on to the white one. And then the other one has letters on there. You can see it has little letters on there. That one goes on to the black one. So that just how it is, that's how you're gonna install it, just in case you're installing a different one.
So follow your guides.
Yeah. Just remove your wire nuts. Remove your cord, and you're ready to set it and forget it. You send it to the warranty or wherever.
Cabrales, trae el taladro.
And there it is. Those are all the steps to remove the tankless water heater. Hello everybody. So now that we showed you guys how to remove the tankless water heater, we're going to show you guys how to install it. The first step is going to be to wire in your electrical cord right here. Remove these. Whoa. we're gonna wire it to the black one, and the one with the little lines on there, you can actually feel them with your finger. That one's going to the white one. And then this third one is gonna go to the ground. And usually they have a bracket and it has a little bolt on there, and you just wanna make sure that little bolt squeezes it. And there it is. Now we could go ahead and put the cover back on and go ahead and mount it onto the wall. Okay, everybody, so we showed you guys how I removed it myself, but to install it, it's actually a little bit more difficult. So I'm gonna use Mr. Andy here, and he's gonna help us. And you're good, Andy. You can let go of it. No. And that'll be it. Third screw. And that does it. Okay, so now that we have the water heater back onto the wall, we're gonna go ahead and hook up our utilities. We're gonna start with our propane regulator. You just screw it on. And for this one, you do need a pair of channel locks. You want to make sure it's really tight, and probably a bottle with soap and water just to test it. Make sure you don't have no leaks once you open it. It's always better to be safe with that, with its gas. And then for these water lines, they actually have a pretty good seal. You could actually just hand tighten them and they shouldn't leak, but you could always just use your channel locks just to be on the safe side. A little small tank channel locks. And you would go ahead and open your water, feed your tankless water, and open your gas, and then you're ready to plug it in and start using your hot water.